What is it? Exploded?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It hit you and blew up right at the same time.
That was cool. It turned into a ball in the ring. I'm covered. I know, baby.
Wow, that was a loud one. Yeah, it's done. Oh, that was cool. I like the one that... Wow.
That was loud.
That was probably like a 12-inch shell.
That had some blast to it.
Yeah, those small ones are 4.
Yeah. 4 inch.
4 or 5, yeah.
That was cool. I had a...
Some of them are 3, though. Little bay tubes are like 3.
Yeah.
Little one was loud.
Big ones got more balls. You can hear them taking off and see them. But the racetrack didn't shoot any off.
Now that was probably... Is that the loudest so far?
I'm waiting just to hear one of them and see it not take off.
You hear people scream.
We'll drive down there then. You'd drive down there, wouldn't you?
No. It'd be chaos.
That looked like it was...
You okay? You want to sit down on the tailgate again?
No.
Oh, they got the little ones going
You're
up.
scared? Well, watch them. Check these out. Look. Look at the little ones. Here.
Take a water
Here, come here.
Big one.
I'll watch them with you, okay?
Sky flowers.
Look at them. Ooh.
Ooh, that was good.
Yeah, that was.
Snowflake.
Yeah. Oh, that one didn't take off. Did you see that?
That one was over in the tree.
Right above that building.
That's a fountain.
No.
That's the finale.
Yep.
Something's on. Oh, it looked like something was on fire.
They shooting anymore?
Wouldn't surprise me if these redneck son bitches they got running shit up here.
What's the
Silver to
finale?
green. Finale's the end. Normally it's got a lot of them going at once. That was a big one there.
It's pretty, wasn't it?
There
Ooh,
it
big one.
is.
Did you hear the wave from that?
Huh?
Did you hear the wave from that one? It
Yeah.
Are the big ones the loudest?
Yeah. That's Craigler.